Welcome back, 500 brothers and sisters, to Park Time. Today we've got a big question. If someone parks and blocks your driveway, what would you do? Call the police or handle it yourself? In this video, we're about to see how the pros around the world solve this problem quickly and efficiently. There will be smiles, there will be frustrated head shakes, but most importantly, there's a lesson about awareness and basic human decency. Watch until the end and let us know which moment satisfied you the most in the comments. He thought he was quick. The truck thought it had the right of way. He didn't enter the house. He drove straight into a memory. One move gave the whole neighborhood free entertainment. Two guys thought they owned the lot. They ended up bumping into each other. One tiny nudge and everything turned into the unwanted version. This isn't an accident scene. It's an unexpected staff meeting. 1 second of distraction and the door became the main character. He didn't just reverse the car, he reversed the fence too. First time seeing someone park and have to climb out. Opened the door and instantly got the chill to the bone combo. Supercar with 600 horsepower, still no match for one impulsive second. People walk on the sidewalk, he walks on cars. Opened the trunk and had to sit down to rethink his life choices. He flipped the car but still tried to protect his image. This is when you understand why people keep their distance from luxury cars. The wheel isn't gone, it's just temporarily in the wrong place. One door swing and he became an accidental gymnast. Front dented, rear dented, owner emotionally dented. He thought he was being rescued. He was actually getting a height upgrade. It wasn't the slippery road. He just slid off the plan. One look at this, and you know the neighbors love his parking skills. These two cars didn't crash. They're just hugging for encouragement. The bus be like, I'm this big and you still didn't see me? Park wrong once and get a complimentary premium white coating. When words fail, let force do the talking.
It's a joke, bro. It's Rachel. It rubs off.
Park in the wrong spot and get a roof dessert combo. He parked alone but dragged the whole lineup with him. He probably confused the gas pedal with patience. The homeowner probably meant a gentle reverse, but life had other plans. He parked wrong, so they posted the notice right there. No email needed. One look at that crack and you know the story wasn't gentle. The left side was wide open, but he chose the railing for a challenge. Blending into the terrain like that takes serious confidence. When you think you're small enough, but reality says otherwise. He didn't forget to refuel. He just forgot to break up with the gas pump. When Mother Nature decides to rearrange the parking lot her own way. Sidewalks were made for pedestrians, not for testing your car's undercarriage. It's 2 a.m. and he's acting like he's in a crime thriller trailer. Standing next to a car full of cameras, and he still thinks he's in stealth mode. First time trying Arctic-style off-roading, and possibly the last. The car didn't even finish parking nicely before the front bumper decided to quit. Going through an automatic car wash, but still wanting to participate manually. Huh, buddy? It looked like a normal drive home. Turned out to be a beginner-level stunt. The owner's going to need quite some time to read all the comments. This isn't traffic congestion, it's an ego showdown. Thought it was just parked there enjoying the view. Turns out the car wanted a closer look too.
wasn't looking for a parking spot.
He was looking for his own private entrance. All it took was pulling over slightly. Why is that so hard? The passengers probably didn't expect this trip to include a stunt show.
Tight parking isn't a problem as long as there's enough clearance.
Watching that, my heart almost jumped out of my chest. My legs felt weak just imagining being in the driver's seat. It honestly felt like a 4D thriller. Drivers, please look out for the people outside your vehicles. You're surrounded by metal and airbags we're not. Who's ever had to hold their breath watching something like this? Sound off in the comments. Share this video to help spread safer driving habits. And don't forget to follow Park Time.